ਥੱਲੇ ਹੋ ਜਾ ਪੌੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਈ ਯਾਰ। ਚਬਲੇ
And the second amendment, administration will provide some character statement of cost of city taxi as well as the city cabs, and similarly administration will bring options of enforcement to stop the operation of illegal vehicles working as cab in city of Edmonton. But somehow, unfortunately, they have already passed a law which will allow the PTP to operate on the roads of Edmonton. That's very unfortunate. Similarly, there is no mention that how many number of PTP should be operating. As it looks from the bylaw which they have passed, any number of PTP can be on the road.
Okay, so they're supposed to have 3 readings to pass this bylaw. So today they had 1 reading with few amendments. More referrals are coming, and they will make, I think, 5 or 6 or 7, whatever. They are already doing that. But one thing is clear: PTP is coming. So we have to be clear. Not yet, but 26th of January is the next date when they're gonna make the same kind of motions and
Drama.
second or third reading.
Same kind of drama.
They pass already second. So second, no, this is first reading. No, let's use that.
Let them pass.
So it's only the first reading today. So second and third will be on 26th of January. All right. So in that one, with more amendments, they referred today. So they will be coming with more amendments. They are trying to do with readjustments of some fares. They want to bring the PTP with the fares and stuff like that. We don't know how they're going to vote that day. It can be dropped, new amendments, or it can be passed. So today, one thing is clear: PTP is coming.
Yeah.
So first reading is there. It can be dropped in the future, even second or third reading. After the third reading, they can still vote it down, but the signs are it's coming. Guys, this is very sad for our whole industry.
It's a dark day
This
for
is
the tax industry.
a worst day. What they were trying to fix, they couldn't fix it. They were trying to accommodate Uber, they can't accommodate Uber because that's not Uber model even. So they are just deregulating this industry, in other words, whether they are saying it or not, but they are opening the market for everybody. Anybody can bring a private car without color and run on the street. If they wanted to fix this tax industry, they could have done it that way. There were so many other ways. And it was in their hands for so many years. They regulated this industry, they could have done that. So this is very sad, and we have to have, I think tomorrow we will have our, from the Alberta Taxi Group, we'll have a meeting of the leadership team, whoever, there are 45 guys, and we will give the program how to counter it now, because last time whatever we achieved, few things, still it's been playing, but we have to be more strong. I can give you this message. Please tell your friends, we have to be more strong, and we need more numbers, then we can save this industry. Otherwise it's done. So please, because we promised the city, we don't want any noise or anything like that. It's not going to achieve anything. It's done, whatever is done. But for the future, we'll give you programs, and very peacefully. Please, we have to leave from here. No slogans or nothing. We don't want anything like the bad faces for the public. We need the public support, and we want to achieve it. Otherwise, we will run the public support campaign, and we are working on. We will work next tomorrow. We will call a meeting, crush meeting, and we will start working on that. So please, again, I say, peacefully, we have to leave it, and they will send the messages whenever the meeting is from the Alberta Taxi Group, and they will give the program. So thank you very much again for coming here. You want to say a few words? I think
Yeah, listen, please. You have to take mine, right? Listen, because the Maya who go to Uber, right?
Yeah. On the back of Uber, your brokers has brought DTP to deregulate your industry and to flood the market where no single driver will make more than $20 per day. The taxi industry as we know it has been killed today, and this is in cooperation with the brokers that you know. Therefore, the only option you have now is from one community alone, there were 900 fleet owners. Look what we have, only 100 here, or 200 here. Most of them, they are working at the airport or somewhere else. We're not going to get together and show a plan of action that could really send a message to this city council, to this mayor, and to the other city councillors. We're not going to change anything. So the weaker we are, divided we are, or careless the way we are acting so far, they are passing a bylaw that totally does not even give a fair chance for others. You are more regulated than the PCBs. That's what they have approved. And they have no shame even to say it. Whether the mayor or the city councillor, some of them there, they don't care for what you had been doing and what you had been building for the last 30 years. Therefore, Alberta Council, with all the leadership councils that we have here, would have a roadmap of how to fight this back with other labor movements and with other, justice-loving communities in Edmonton to try to mobilize and to have our voice heard at this city hall again. So we have to have a better organization and a better way of doing things than what we have been doing so far. So today, as my colleagues here say, that we're not going to make any noise because they think that we're just making some noise. No, we should be able to be recognized as a force and as a contributing community member of Edmonton by our actions in the coming future. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. So once the meeting, tomorrow's meeting is concluded by of Alberta Taxi Group, we will get to the program. So let's be ready for a more struggle. Maybe we have to do something more.
right?
Right?
That's it.
Yeah.
ਅੰਕਲ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਕਿ ਨੋਇਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ